Timeframes and deadlines in a real estate contract. The contract is always prepared by the seller's attorney in New York, and it's forwarded to the buyer's attorney. Buyer's attorney and buyer reviews, perhaps makes edits, perhaps makes requested changes. The buyer will sign the contract first. That's an agreement and an arrangement and a contract that the buyer is fully satisfied with, and they'll return the down payment to the seller's attorney. The seller and seller's attorney will review the contract, sell any proposed changes, and affix a signature to that if it's all copacetic. The deposit will then be placed into an escrow account and held until the close. There's a couple of things broadly that have to happen. The buyer has to search the title. The buyer has to obtain their money in their bank account. They can use that money closed. But with large home purchase prices and the price of real estate, probably that buyer needs to obtain more. Two processes: search title, obtain a more. Now, the time frame, a title search should be done right away, and that takes maybe 10 business days to get back, a couple of weeks. Some of the municipal searches may take a little bit of time to come back. Then the buyer from the contract typically has 45 days to get a commitment. That's a pledge. It's a written pledge from the bank. We are going to lend you money on these terms, clear these objections, and figure this other thing out. That's our commitment to you. And then we're going to close title in about 2 months. These are on or about. The commitment and the acquisition of the commitment is within the contract of sale. If you need help with this, please reach out. Frank Bruno Law.